Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be showing you how to register for TCF Bank's online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open your browser and you go to Google and you type in. So let's get started. So first you go to Google, and then on the search bar you type in TCF Bank, and tcfbank.com is the official website of TCF Bank. You click there, and once you do that, right here you can see the login option. You click on the login option, and you go down here, you can see the enroll now. So we're going to be enrolling to online banking, so that's what we're going to do. So if you scroll down, here the bank has really clearly mentioned what you will need to enroll in digital banking. So first you need to identify yourself. That is, to verify your account, you'll need your account information, which will include account number, social security number, or taxpayer identification number. And after that, you'll need to verify your contact information, including your address, your email address, and phone number. After that, you'll create a login ID, and then you'll create a password for your digital banking account. And after that, you will select a security question and answer, so that just in case you forget your password, you have a security question there for you to help. So once you have all of this, you'll click on Enroll Now. And so once you do that, you will be taken to this web page where you will enter either your debit card number or your ATM card number. You'll enter the PIN number for that debit card number or ATM number, and then you'll enter your social security number or a tax ID number, and after that you will tap on Next. Now what you do if you don't have a TCF ID or if you don't have a debit card or a social security number. After that, you can enter your account number and your date of birth. So once you do that, you will verify with your account information, your email address, your address, so your email address, your phone number. Then you'll create a profile. Then you'll create a login ID and then password and a security question. So it's very easy to do this. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Thanks for watching, guys.